Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. We expected consolidation to continue. I told you very clearly 25,200 to 26,000 should be the range for until the end of this week. And nobody expected this kind of consolidation. Throughout the day, the market was trading almost flat with slightly positive bias. And as a result, both call option and put option premiums have come down. After a long time, the people who traded in intraday, they made fantastic profit. If somebody has done at the money short straddle in the morning, Sensex, a closing they would have made at least 2-3% profit today. Making 2-3% in one day is a fantastic profit. Yesterday I sold some 83,000 put option, 84, because I've been maintaining some kind of a bullish view. The call options I sold further away, but still without any problem. In the morning, there was a slight problem. The morning Sensex was higher by 100 points, but despite that 83,000 put option was showing some loss. But finally, that has gone to zero. And even the Nifty, like 25,000 put, 25,100, 25,200, 26,000, call option. So all premiums have collapsed like anything. And in fact, India VIX has also come down by about 2%. Yesterday, remember, it was up nearly about 4%. So half of that gain was wiped out today. And today, it is the day of index heavyweights. Yesterday, it was HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Reliance. Those three stocks were responsible for about 70-point fall yesterday. And today, Nifty is up only about 25 points. But, Reliance alone contributed for about 40-45 points on the higher side. If not for Reliance, Nifty would have closed negative today. And another thing, the Bank Nifty fell in the morning, but recovered almost 300 points from intraday low. So the Bank Nifty is clearly looking bullish. As I told you, tomorrow HDFC Bank, HDB Financial is listing. So that will have some impact in HDFC Bank. Do not know why Axis Bank fell about 2% yesterday. Today morning I saw it was down by 2.5%. Right, 4 to 5% fall in just two trading sessions is really something big. I do not know. I have not read any news about Axis Bank. So this may be just a normal profit booking also. And tomorrow it will be interesting to see how HDFC Bank will be reacting for the listing of HDB Financial. US markets continuously moving higher for the last 4 or 5 trading sessions. And right now the futures are showing slightly negative, but it's not even 0.5%. But still it's only a pre-market. So we have to wait for the market to open at 7 p.m. But we have already discounted this profit booking by yesterday itself. Yesterday itself, the profit booking has come here. So, as I told you, the markets are likely to consolidate. So, this is actually a good time for non-directional players to make money. Both calls and put premiums are coming down. So, any action, a real action will bring in only in the third week when the corporate results start kicking in. So this week and next week, markets are likely to be sideways only. So that is my view. Stock-wise, the banking stocks are still looking bullish, but FMCG stocks are nearly 20% down, and still there is no recovery. As and when Nifty falls, the FMCG stocks are falling. So let us see when FMCG stocks recovering, right? So my long-term view stands the same, banking followed by IT, followed by FMCG and autos. So in this order. So there is no change in my long-term view. As I told you today in the pre-market, so next week, there is a big problem. There's a tariff deadline, that is July 9. Otherwise, towards the end of this week, our market can go even more lackluster, because of the US holiday for Independence Day. So FII data is still not out. So yesterday the domestic institutions have bought heavily. That is one of the reasons for positive bias today. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.